Officials from 3 different communities across Saskatchewan questioned the government on legal pot. Over the hour-long Q&A, it was clearly the most talked about topic. They wanted to know how any profits would be shared between the province and municipalities, whether there are any estimates on how much it would cost, and if the province is planning for a tourist boom from the U.S. once pot becomes legal in Canada later this year. Premier Scott Moe, Justice Minister Don Morgan, and Jean Mikowski, the minister responsible for the SLGA, took their questions, but their answers were pretty similar. It's too soon to say what will happen.
So it's a discussion to have further down the road when we're able to quantify costs. But at this point in time, we're not looking at the bookkeeping and the cost issues.
Meanwhile, the Bear Pit session did touch on other issues, things like the Grants in Lieu program, revenue sharing, and funding for healthcare. Cabinet ministers didn't make any specific promises, but they did say they're listening. Still, the conversation kept circling back to marijuana. It's set to become legal later this year. Now, there still isn't a complete plan from the province, but Mikowski says he's working on it.
It's very difficult to pinpoint how many users are out there, how many will migrate from the black market, how many will take it up because it now is legal. So it is very difficult to pinpoint that.
Mikowski did say that the SLGA is drafting rules for retailers, similar to alcohol sales, such as security regulations. He says he expects an announcement on that will happen soon. Alex Brockman, CBC News, Regina.